everyone. I hope you are doing well, and thanks for watching my channel. Myself Bidut, and as you know, I'm doing it for couple of years right now. Since 2007, I'm into the digital marketing industry, and already done a lot of projects on the different websites. And as a affiliate marketer, people comes in my institutions. They take trainings through online, how to grow with blog, how to earn money from different ways. One of the major ways is definitely YouTube. How you can earn money from YouTube, how you can grow your YouTube channels, how you can promote your websites, how you can earn money from the different affiliate programs. So in this channel especially, I created for my students as well as the beginners, those are looking for that kind of supports, those don't have that much money to start with the different activities. So in that cases, these videos will really help them, because I got a lot of requests from my viewers that to create a video based on to connect with YouTube channel with the Google Analytics, because it's very important in your activities to track through different analytics platforms. Because if you are analyzing how which one at or using which activities is giving the good results, how it working, or whatever implementations, whether it is a SEO, whether you are doing the PPC, whether you are doing other marketing methods, which methods working better, is usually important to learn through the different analytics. So here today I will create these videos based on how you can connect your YouTube channel with your Google Analytics. Okay, so let me show you how you can do it. So first of all, you have to create uh, one Google Analytics account. Definitely, if you have, you can enter into the Google Analytics account. As I have already my Google Analytics account, and I have created already the videos how you can create your Google Analytics account. So you can check those videos from my channels also. So I'm not using much more uh, time. I'm not taking much more time to show you that how you can create the YouTube channels, for example, and Google Analytics channels. For example, this is a basically your analytics account. So I am entering into the admin sections over here. So in this case, over here, what you will get the tracking info. You have to click over here. So when you will click over here, uh, the data will show, means where the tracking ID you can see. This is your tracking ID through which you can track with your channels through your Google Analytics account. And you have to open these sections, and you have to open the another sections, which this is your YouTube dashboards, and you have to identify that where you will change these sections. So to change these areas, like connect with the Google Analytics account, so what you have to do, you have to click into the settings sections, right? You can see this is the settings options, and you have clicked, and this pop-up options is coming up. Now you have to click into the channel, right? And most importantly, you have to click into the advanced settings. When you are clicking advanced settings, so over here you can see advanced channel settings. Again, you click over here. Here it is. Here you will get the clue how you can uh, track your property tracking ID. So this is a Google Analytics property tracking ID. You have to put over here. So this is a basically tracking ID. So you have to copy, and you have to paste it over here, right? It's easy. So what I did, I'm just recapping the whole procedures. You have to open your Google Analytics account, and when you open your Google Analytics account dashboards over here in an uh, you have to just scrolling down the sections, and you'll get the admin section over here. When you click into the admin sections, I'm just making it back so that it will be clear for you. So this will be the dashboard, usually the analytics dashboards. Over here you click over here, admin sections, and then you are entering into the tracking ID sections, tracking ID, and then you will get this tracking ID, which is very important to connect with your YouTube channel. So you just copy it, and you have to click over here in YouTube dashboards. You have to click settings, then you have to click on the channels, then you have to click into the advanced settings, then you have to click into the again advanced channel settings, and you will get the one new page. Over here you have to paste it. Okay, is that clear? So I hope you can, by using this video, you can change this analytics account. You can connect with your Google Analytics account with your YouTube channel, so that you can also get tracked through your analytics one analytics account, which is Google Analytics account. Okay, and definitely you will also get the whole analytics reports from your YouTube channels also. Like some, if you click over here, if you click uh, over here, this is analytics. So you can, if you click over here, you can see the analytics report from here also, how it's performing, how it's growing. So you can get no notification from here. If you click into the advanced mode, you can also get the whole things, your traffic source, from which source you are getting this traffics, YouTube traffic. So you can analyze your source and you can work on it. And if you are clicking onto the geography sections, you can see that how it's coming, from which sections you are getting the traffics, and then you can compare it. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like the video, definitely you share with your Facebook and other channels. And most importantly, if you have any queries, you can comment on below the description box. You will get the comment section, you can comment on it, and definitely I will try to create those videos, whatever videos you require. Definitely it should be into the my domains, like with the digital marketing, with the affiliate marketing, with the any kind of supports you require for the WordPress customizations. I definitely can help, because those areas is my expertise area. So I can help to grow your channels. I can help you grow for your business website. So in if you are looking for the any training purpose, like if you want to learn it one-to-one dedicated training sessions for myself, because plenty of students takes trainings through online, and definitely we also have the classroom sessions. So in description box you will get my Skype ID, you will get the WhatsApp number, email number, so that you can connect with me. And definitely my team, and whenever I will get the times, I definitely connect, and you will get the whole process done, and you can run the whole WordPress procedures, and how you can create your own website, how you can market your websites, and how you can get start earning from your websites. So hope you enjoyed, and definitely if you like, you subscribe the YouTube channels. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.